Hello guys, through this video we will discuss the elements of directing, which is called leadership. As we know, after supervision we know how and to whom direct and motivate. Later on, this will depend on a good leader, or you can say manager. And any organizational success depends on its leader when we talk about it. And leadership, it is a process through which a leader motivates, activates, implies to give 100% with efficiency towards achievement of organizational goal. That's why you can say the leadership is a process of influencing the behavior of people at work towards the achievement of a special goal. We know some famous like J.R.D. Tata, the leader of iron and steels, Bill Gates, Microsoft's, Reliance, Ambani, Wipro, Ajim Premji, many more like that. They developed their organization with good leadership styles. So, development or growth of any organization, there is a need of good leadership. Now we will discuss the importance of leadership. Leadership, it influences the behavior of people and make them to positively contribute their energies for the benefit of the organization. And you know, good leader always produces good result through their followers. And it is needed at all levels of management. At the top level, bottom level, or middle level. Everywhere there is a need to direct with a good leader. It acts as an aid to authority. It reflects the interference of the formal organizational relationship. Now, through leadership, there is a chain systems, a scalar chain systems, which has given and we have discussed in the Foyle's principles. Leadership maintain this one. The hierarchy of the titles, job titles. It provides it needed confidence, support, and encouragement, and makes better environment for the job. And through cooperation, leadership takes result achieves organizational target. It provides, it acts as a motive power to group effort. It improves motivations and morals. Now we will discuss the feature of leadership. As we know, it is needed at all level of managements. We have discussed the importance of leadership. And the another aspect of it, the first one is leadership is needed in all walk of life. Means whenever and whatever we do, we possess a good quality of superiors, our leaders, and we go ahead to achieve the given task. It is the duty of the leader to maintain proper discipline among the subordinates. Now, through a appropriate functions applied on subordinates, one can maintain the prosperity, unity, and discipline among their subordinates. It is a continuous process, it never ends. When we direct any employees, first we supervise what is a lack behind the particular employees, so that they do not give their best performance. After checking this through a good leadership, a leader starts to motivate either positive way or negative way and take out the best efficiency of the particular employees or group of employees. After getting the result, the feedback when come towards leader, then it will again start to reprocess of judgment of employees' performance. That's why you can say this goes continuously within the organization. A true leader is responsible for inducing encouragement, confidence among employees of any organization. Yes, it is. If there is a good leader of any organization, he or she will fulfill every moment with great prosperity, morals, confidence inside the employees. The success of a manager as a leader depends on the acceptance of his leadership by the subordinates. This important. Here is a success leader. He will be succeed if his followers recognized him. Yes, you have done your best. The manager or leader is able to influence his subordinates' behavior at work due to the quality of his own behavior as a leader. Now, at the work, leader first he judges his subordinates how to direct. So this one is the proper technique depends on the quality of a leader. Every leader uses its own skill. So this motivational activity, the directing activities done only with leaders' own behavior, leaders' own attitude, leaders' own skill. The leader leads his group with authority and confidence, yes. The leader establishes a relationship between an individual and a group as some common interest. There is a common interest in between individual, or you can say in a group. Common goal is what? The organizational's predetermined objectives achievement, and leader establishes it. A true leader creates the bond of friendship between organization and subordinates. A true leader establishes it. The coordination between organization and subordinates, and a good leadership helps others in choosing the attaining specified goals to the maximum satisfaction of both the leader and the followers. So with these discussions we can say the development of any organization depends on the good leadership. Thank you.